Hey there tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Crawlbase YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to scrape real estate data from Realtor.com using Python and Crawlbase crawling API. The best part is that you will be able to extract dynamic property data changes. You will extract data like property details, community insights, and more. In the property details, you will get location, price, etc. Later, we will build a custom RSS feed scraper, which will help us stay well informed on vital property changes. Before we begin this tutorial, I suggest you keep the blog to this video open in case you need to refer to it. Let's begin a detailed tutorial. We've got you covered with code snippets on our blog for each step. The link is provided in the description below. First, make sure Python is installed in your system. If not, you can install it from python.org. Open Command Prompt on Windows or Terminal on Mac. Then use pip, the Python package installer, to install libraries. Copy the code from our blog to import requests library, and paste it in your command line or terminal. This library facilitates HTTP requests and simplifies web interactions in Python. Next, install Beautiful Soup library to parse HTML and XML documents. Lastly, install the LXML library, which provides a powerful XML and HTML processing toolkit for Python. Next step is to choose an IDE that works best for you. Some best IDEs for coding Python are Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebooks. In this tutorial, we will use Visual Studio Code. First up in our tutorial, we'll show you how to scrape details of a single property from Realtor.com. For that, launch the code editor. Create a new Python file and save it. Save your script with a .py extension. Now let's write a simple Python script to scrape the listing details. Copy the code from our blog and paste it in your IDE. This Python script uses Beautiful Soup and requests libraries to scrape property data from a Realtor.com listing. The makeRequest function sends a custom request to the provided URL. The extract data from script function reveals encoded data from the page, and then scrape Realtor property function parses it to retrieve property details stored in a JSON format. Let's run the code and check out its charm. Copy the command in blog. Then open Terminal in your IDE. Change directory to where you saved the code file, and paste the command there. The result will show a bunch of information about properties like property details, community insights, and more, all nicely organized in a user-friendly JSON format. Next up in the tutorial, let's scrape Realtor.com property listings. In this example, we will focus on properties in Los Angeles. Copy the code from our blog and replace it in your IDE. Run this code. This code is an updated version of the previous one, featuring a new function named Find Properties. This function helps us gather property information from the Realtor website, focusing on listings in Los Angeles. You can modify the search URL as needed. The loop inside the function is crucial because it allows us to fetch data from several pages. The result will show a vast range of property listings. Each listing will include details such as property features, location, price, and more. In the next segment of our tutorial, let's develop a custom RSS feed scraper to stay well informed on vital property changes. Copy the code in our blog and replace with the last one in your IDE. Now, we need to include an additional chunk of code. Grab the function codes for makeRequest, extract data from script, parse JSON, and scrape Realtor property from single property scraper, and include them in your current script. Now execute the script. This code runs asynchronously to scrape new listings from the feed. The scrape feed function retrieves listing URLs and their issue date, while the track feed function oversees the monitoring process. It stores entries as JSON data in a file. Congratulations! The code is executed successfully, displaying both the total number of properties and the time taken. Now let's check the results. Open the JSON file, located in the same directory as your Python script. It will contain dynamic listing data in JSON format. The RSS feed scraper will constantly monitor any changes in the listings and append them to this file. Now, let's address Realtor.com's various anti-scraping measures designed to prevent automated scraping. This is where the powerful Crawlbase API comes into play. Let's explore the process of building an RSS feed scraper using Crawlbase Crawling API. For that, we need to install Crawlbase Crawling API. Copy the command line from blog. Then, open Command Prompt or Terminal and paste it there to install Crawlbase Crawling API. Copy the code snippet from the blog. Insert in your code to utilize it for efficient handling of HTTP requests. Remove the function code for make request. Now let's test the magic of Crawlbase Crawling API. Copy the property scraper code and paste it in your IDE. Replace the make requests function with the Crawlbase Crawling API code snippet in our blog. Next, we need to provide the Crawlbase token for authentication. For that, visit Crawlbase website and sign up. Once you are registered, go to Account Settings. Click on Account Documentation. Here's your normal request token. Copy it and paste it in your code. Run the code. Congratulations, we seamlessly extracted meaningful insights from Realtor.com without any anti-spamming barriers. We hope this video was fun and useful. If you're interested in scraping other websites like Airbnb and more, check out step-by-step tutorials on our YouTube channel and blog. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.